Hello friends, welcome to another Infinite Painter tutorial for beginners. In last video we did the outline. Watch that video first if you haven't watched yet. Now we will add colors. So let's start. First I will clear layer 1 because it is the rough sketch layer. We don't need this layer anymore. I'm going to use solid fill brush. In layer 1, I will add skin color. Layer 2 will be always on the top, because it is the line art layer. Now adding layer 3 top of the layer 1. In layer 3, I will add hair color. Here I am using fill tool to fill color. Now erasing those brush strokes that have crossed the outline. Now I will add layer 4 under the layer 3. In layer 4 I will add dress color. Here I will add layer 5, top of the layer 1, it will be a clip layer. In layer 5, I will add shading on the face. Now I'm painting the eyes in the same layer. Here I will add layer 6 under the layer 5. In layer 6, I am adding some mid-tone. Now I will add layer 7, top of the layer 3. In layer 7, I will add shading on the hair. Here I will add layer 8 under the layer 7. In layer 8, I am painting some mid-tone and highlights. Here I will add layer 9, top of the layer 4. In layer 9, I will add details on the dress. Now I will add layer 10 under the layer 9. In layer 10, I am adding shading on the dress. Here I will add layer 11 under the layer 1. In layer 11, I am using fill tool to fill background color. Now I am using gradient tool to add gradient on the background. At last I will add layer 12, top of the layer 11. In layer 12, I will paint the clouds. If your tablet can't handle all those layers, then you can merge some completed layers. So finally, the drawing is complete. Leave a comment if you like. And if you don't know anything about Infinite Painter, want to try for first time, then you should watch this video.